Yesterday, man, that wind was gusting to around 30 or 35 miles per hour at times, and it made it feel so much colder and just kind of a sign of things to come. Speaking of setting the table as we head into our Thanksgiving holiday extended weekend for most of us out there. So if you have booked travel on the bookends of the holiday, meaning Wednesday and Friday, you're going to be A-OK. Both of those days are looking dry. However, Thanksgiving, a bit of a headache if you're actually traveling on the day itself, as we have a pretty substantial rain system coming in here. Chilly rain at that. Dry and chilly weather to round out your holiday weekend. But that's going to be with us right into the start of the month of December. And, well, you'll see in a second just how cold it's going to get. But here's our turkey dressing forecast. Yes, the umbrella, the rain boots, the rain jacket. You'll need it all on Thanksgiving if you're going to be out and about at any time. Maybe some of you heading down to the Thanksgiving parade, the Macy's Thanksgiving parade in New York City. You're unfortunately going to be dealing with precipitation, and it's not going to be a mild day. You know, sometimes we get these rain systems coming in. They drag up a lot of warm air out ahead of them. This is not going to be one of those cases here, as the storm itself may actually pass a little bit further south of us or just to the west of us. So it's going to be a chilly rain at that. As you head into the weekend, again, the sun is coming back a little bit on Friday, more so Saturday and Sunday, but cold and breezy conditions here. And we'll get to that extended outlook in just a second. Let's track this rain and time it all out for you so you know exactly when it arrives. Here we are into tomorrow. Clouds increasing tomorrow by morning. It'll be pretty overcast. I'd say maybe the Cape or someone out in the islands actually gets a nice little sunrise here, and it'll be that, you know, red sky at night, sailors delight. It'll be the opposite of that. The red sky in the morning, sailors take warning, because you have those clouds coming in and the sun reflecting off of the incoming clouds, signaling that rain is on the way. Timing this out, rain likely doesn't get here until, say, late morning, right around lunchtime. So the morning commute should be okay, but unfortunately a bit of a soggy afternoon as this storm front passes through. It's not going to be an incredible storm here, and not by any stretch. We're just getting some moderate showers, maybe a quick burst of some heavier rain, and it's quick moving. So out of here by the evening, we should see a little bit of sun to round out our Tuesday. Again, Wednesday, if you're traveling, it's going to be a bit of a bright and chilly day out there, so no issues to be expected. But here come the clouds right back in as that storm is on its way for Turkey Day. Here we are. By morning hours, I mean, this looks like an all-day rain, folks, so just plan at any time. Say maybe you thought about heading out a little early, beating the holiday dinner rush traffic. It just looks like you're going to need extra time no matter what time you're heading out the door. Check it out here. We've got some cold, wet snow up towards the Berkshires, Western Mass, areas north of that, all the way up into Vermont and New Hampshire. This is not going to be our first snow of the year, but with the cold air that this storm is going to leave with it, could be possible as we look ahead to the first week of December. There's your rain forecast for tomorrow. Again, very, very minor rain amounts, much needed rain. We are still in a drought situation. And then we're really going to tack on here with this second storm, probably an extra half an inch to close to an inch on Thanksgiving. So some soggy turkey this year. And again, that storm pulling down a lot of cold air with it. So when we look ahead to the first weekend of December, we're seeing those temperatures tumbling down all the way to a high of 38 degrees on Monday. And it could even be a little colder than that as we look ahead beyond into the first weekend of the month, or first week of the month, I should say, guys. So
depending on when you travel, if you time it out right on Tuesday, but certainly Wednesday you can get there.
Yeah,
but Thursday you're going to get soaked.
Thursday you're going to get soaked. I would not be, if I didn't have to travel on Thursday, I certainly wouldn't be. If you have any chance to go either a day or two earlier, or well, of course, obviously, the holiday's over on Friday. But if you know,
is it though? Is it though? I think it continues on.
Is it though?
Well, the leftovers would say so. Yeah, I think they say it's all weekend. You have turkey all weekend.